It started with a simple message from my manager. Today, you'll support the planning cycle. At first, I thought it would be easy. After all, planning sounded like just budgeting and numbers. But the moment I logged into the Oracle EPM planning system, I realized something different. Multiple dashboards appeared on my screen. Revenue forecasts, expense inputs, workforce planning forms, department submissions. Every number represented a real business decision. This wasn't just data. This was how companies decide their future. During the first planning meeting, I watched finance teams discuss targets, growth expectations, and cost controls. Sales teams wanted higher projections. Finance teams wanted realistic assumptions. Management wanted accuracy. And suddenly, I understood something important. Oracle planning was not about entering numbers. It was about balancing strategy and reality. Then came my first real task. I was asked to review planning forms and validate business rules before forecast submission. It sounded simple when explained, but when I opened the application, I saw complex calculations running behind every input: allocations, driver-based planning, and forecasting logic. One small change in assumptions affected the entire financial model. That's when the pressure hit me. If the numbers were wrong, business decisions could be wrong. A few days later, a challenge appeared. The forecast totals were not matching expected results. Departments had already submitted their data. The deadline was close. The client was waiting. For a moment, I felt stuck. But instead of panicking, I started analyzing the logic. I checked dimensions, reviewed calculation scripts, validated driver assumptions. Slowly, the problem became clear. A business rule was calculating values incorrectly. After testing and correcting the logic, the forecast aligned perfectly. And in that moment, something changed inside me. I stopped feeling like someone learning software. I started feeling like a consultant solving real business problems. As weeks passed, planning became more than a tool. I participated in budgeting discussions, helped teams understand forecasts, suggested improvements in planning workflows. The same dashboards that once looked complicated now made complete sense. That's when I realized Oracle EPM Planning connects finance, technology, and strategy into one powerful system. But honestly, my confidence didn't come overnight. Before joining the project, I had taken structured Oracle EPM training. I didn't just learn concepts. I practiced real planning scenarios, understood business rules deeply, learned how budgeting and forecasting work in real companies. And yes, I completed my Oracle EPM training from BISP trainings. That practical exposure made my transition from learner to professional much smoother. So if you're starting your Oracle EPM journey, remember this. Planning is not about spreadsheets. It's about understanding how businesses think, plan, and grow. Your first planning cycle may feel challenging, but with the right skills, the right training, and real practice, that challenge becomes confidence.